We're here live in Emlenton, Pennsylvania, here with the first home run derby champion, Dalton Turteltaub. Hello. We have breaking news. A scandal has come out. I don't know why it's a scandal, really, but, well, it is somewhat, because we have two positive tests for Ryan Rogers, the three-time home run derby champion.
Is true. Two positive tests.
One for COVID-19.
He tested.
Well, we're gonna assume. We're gonna assume.
Oh.
Next, the more important one, steroids. He has tested
Well,
positive.
that was not really a secret, to be honest with you.
Well,
Frankly, and I will say
roll the
this.
footage and you'll know.
Oh, there's another. That's 7. Holy mother of cows. That's gonna stand for a long time. This is getting insane. Frankly, I will say that there's been, you go back, if you look, take a look at just his build from the first home run derby forward, and then all of a sudden he started winning.
He was wearing an M&M shirt and he kind of looked like an M&M.
That's
Anyway, that's all we have here on Trickshot Turtles News. Thank you, and have a nice day, and great Thanksgiving.